Hello friends, today we are going to create masking transitions using CapCut. Let's start the tutorial together step by step. I have imported two videos and one white color image. The white color image will be used for the border. First, I have added the black and white video to the timeline. Set the duration of the video to 10 seconds. Add the white color image to the timeline. Adjust the duration of the image with the video. I have increased the scale value of the white image. I have increased the scale value because the white image is smaller than the screen. Now add the second video to the top track. Adjust the duration. Hide the both top and below track video. Select the white color image and add the mirror mask. Rotate the mask to -15 degrees. I have increased the size of the mask to 460. Increase the feather value to 2. Unhide the top video track. Add the mirror mask. Rotate the mask to -15 degrees. Adjust the size of the mask. Keep in mind that the mask of the video should be smaller than the white image. Increase the feather value to 2. Unhide the below track. Keep the playhead at the starting point. Add the first keyframe to the position. Add the second keyframe at 2 seconds duration. Add the third keyframe at 4 seconds duration. Add the fourth keyframe at 5 seconds duration. Move the playhead to the first keyframe position and reduce the mask size to 1. Forward the playhead to the fourth keyframe position and also reduce the mask size to 1. Now, I will add keyframes to the white image same as the video. Add 4 keyframes to the mask size at 0 seconds, 2 seconds, 4 seconds and 5 seconds duration. Keep the playhead at the first keyframe position and reduce the mask size to 1. Forward the playhead to the fourth keyframe position and reduce the mask size to 1. If you play the video, it is showing a line in the middle of the screen. Generally, CapCut supports minimum size 1. That's why this problem arises. Select the fourth keyframe of the white image. Go to the Basic tab and add a keyframe to the opacity. Forward the playhead at 5 seconds and 1 frame duration. Add the second keyframe to the opacity. At this point, reduce the opacity value to 0. Now select the video of the above track. Apply the same settings to the opacity of the video. Now play the video. You will see the differences. I will apply the same settings for both the white image and the video at the starting point so that this line will not appear at the starting point. Select the video and add keyframes to the opacity at 0 seconds and 0 seconds 1 frame duration. At 0-second position, reduce the opacity value to 0. Apply the same settings to the white colored image. That's all from this tutorial. I hope now you understand how to apply masking transitions. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.